I didn't want the money because I didn't want to leave, but the universe kind of forced my hand, which I probably needed. I have amazing news and a crazy story to boot. The news is that on April 17th, the new season of Law & Order Organized Crime comes to Peacock. Not only am I in the show, I'm the main bad guy in episode 1. I play a character named Lebec. He's not an American, he has an accent, he's absolutely diabolical. In fact, I'm even in the trailer killing somebody, and that gives you some hints. So I don't know how it's gonna be edited, but I just can't wait to see it, and I hope you tune in on Peacock. Here is the crazy story to back it up. I had to drop out of Beast Games to be in this show. As many of you know, I won a bunch of money on Beast Games. I didn't want the money because I didn't want to leave, but the universe kind of forced my hand, which I probably needed. What happened is that as I was flying into the games, literally, I got an email from my agent with an offer to be on Law & Order Organized Crime. There was 2 problems with the offer. Number 1, it overlapped shooting of Beast Games. Beast Games was set to begin shooting on Monday, but if I accepted the offer, I had to be on set on Wednesday. The second issue was that production thought I had already accepted the role. But in my mind, I had just said I was available while I was weighing my options. So my agent says, look, Adam, you can do whatever you want, but if you say no to this, they're gonna see you as backing out of the role, and it's gonna shut a lot of doors. So my heart sank, because I was dead set on putting my all into Beast Games, and with some coaxing from my fiance, now wife, I accepted the role, and that was that. I go into Beast Games with a pretty bummed spirit. I knew going in I'd have 2 days at most to compete, and I was just praying that Mr. Beast would come out with a bang, and sure enough, he did. Episode 1, he dumps $1 million on the stage, and I pressed the button, walked with 19 G's and a couple more, and then pretty much walked onto a set in New York. So, of course, you guys have all seen Beast Games. Now you gotta tune into Law & Order Organized Crime, April 17th on Peacock, an amazing streaming platform. Get it and tune in. I'll see you there.